Hi, I'm Jennifer, and I'm here to introduce you to USB plug-and-play instant setup, part of an easy-to-use feature set exclusively from Epson. Have you ever been under pressure preparing for a presentation and being confronted with this? It's just too complicated. First, you have to carry around bulky VGA cables. Then you have to screw the cables into your computer and projector. Then there's the challenge of figuring out which function key to hit in order to get the image to appear on the screen. And you have to remember to hit the function key twice to see the image on both your computer and the projection screen. Epson projectors are designed to make presentations easier, with seamless instant setup, making you look good in front of your audience. With Epson's USB plug-and-play instant setup feature, you can simply connect a standard USB cable to your PC and instantly project. Let me show you. Plug the USB cable into the USB port in the back of your computer. Plug the other end of the cable into the USB slot in the back of your projector, and you're done. There's no more pressing computer function keys to display the image from your computer onto a projection screen. It will appear almost instantaneously on both your computer screen and projection screen after you connect the cable. With USB plug-and-play instant setup, you can even manage your slides by using the page up, page down button on your remote control, which you cannot do with VGA connections. How simple was that? USB plug-and-play instant setup, part of an easy-to-use feature set exclusively from Epson, the worldwide leader in projectors.
contact your Como Height Vision sales representative.